Speaking of special sounds, the letter A also has its share of special sounds. And when you find the letter A before multiple consonants, it usually sounds like ah. Start, palm, wash, watch. These are the letter A, but they sound like ah. And you'll notice it's very similar to the short sound of the letter O. There's very little difference between hot and wash, but they're spelled with different letters and they're pronounced in the same way. Well, that's all I have to say about vowels. But if you can master the vowels, you can greatly improve your English pronunciation. You'll always be understood, and people will always know what you're saying, and they will trust that you are a good English speaker. They'll know you understand them, and they will understand you.